It's a major shift from creating to supervising. Those were the words of a developer when he first tried out a coding agent. And it raises the question, if the agent's doing all the coding, what exactly is the engineer doing? Let's talk today about the skills required for agentic engineering and why I believe software engineers are more important than ever. Now, the first most obvious skill is product management skills. You have to describe to the agent the functionality of your application, how it should look and behave, and you have to be able to give it feedback as it iterates through the solution. But product management skills are not enough. That would be like describing your dream home to a builder and not providing him any blueprints. You're going to get an application out of it, but you're not exactly sure what, and it's not going to adhere to your enterprise's guidelines. Let's take an example. OpenAI published a blog where they bragged about using Codex to write 100% of the code for an internal application. But they spent the whole blog describing all of the engineering work they're still doing, outlining observability tools and defining architectures and logging frameworks and much, much more. What makes agentic engineering so different from vibe coding is the emphasis on the enterprise's non-functional requirements. Your security and scalability and performance and reliability and resiliency and maintainability. You still need the skills to enforce all of those requirements, regardless of who's writing the code. But, as the OpenAI engineers said, they're working on a different level of abstraction than they used to. Our engineers still need those strong technical chops, but they need to be able to explain their knowledge and guide the agents through their implementation. It's definitely an opportunity to enhance our engineers' talent development. In the end, the role of the software engineer isn't going away, it's evolving. What kind of skills have you needed as you've been using coding agents? Let me know in the comments below.